Okay, YouTube, here's a video on how to do the rear brakes. You do them the same as the front. 19 millimeter to take the lug nuts off, 14 millimeter to take off the caliper bolts. You're going to put the brakes on a little bit different here on the rear brakes, and I'll show you that here as soon as I finish unbolting the caliper. Now with the rear brakes, you may have an issue with this top bolt on the caliper hitting the brake line. So what you want to do is just get that as loose as you can and flip the caliper up like that, and you can slide the brakes in and out from the caliper. Now to get your caliper back up in the caliper, to get this part back up in the caliper, you're going to want to put a C-clamp on there and push this back up in there. Put a C-clamp on like this and screw it until that's back up in there so it'll fit with the new brakes on there. Slap the new brakes on, they slide right up in there. The caliper then should close just like that. Put your bolts back in there at the bottom. Remember, we left the top one, so all we got to do is put the bottom one on, tighten it up, and the rear brakes are finished.